Assalamu alaikum viewers. So today we are going to solve Feb March 18 paper 1 to question 27. So let's begin. Monochromatic light is incident on a pair of narrow cells a distance of 0.1 millimeter apart. A series of bright and dark fringes are observed on a screen of distance 2 meter away. The distance between adjacent bright fringe is 8 millimeter. What is the path difference between the light waves from the two cells that meet in a second order bright? So this is also from Young's double slit experiment. And let me make very clear. Let me make one thing very clear, that if it is asking the path difference at the second order dark fringe. Now, just be very clear about one thing, that when bright fringes are formed, then constructed interference occurs. Okay. And when dark fringes are formed, then destructive interference occurs. So the path difference for constructive interference would be n lambda, where n is a whole number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. And the path difference for destructive interference is equals to 2n plus 1 upon 2 lambda, where n would be like, what do you say? Not a whole number. It would be like in 0.5, like 1.5, 0.5. So at the zero order bright fringe, the path difference would be 0. Then you start counting from here. So at the first order dark fringe, after bright fringe, there is a dark fringe. So the path difference would be 0.5. And then at first order bright fringe, the path difference would be 1 lambda. And then at second order dark fringe, the path difference would be 1.5 lambda. So for that, you must find a lambda. As lambda is not given there, lambda is the wavelength. Lambda wavelength is not given to you here. So for that, what would you do? You would calculate the lambda by using the formula of Young's double slit experiment. Lambda is equals to ax upon d, where a is given to you as the distance between the narrow cells. A represents the distance between the narrow cell, which is 0.1 millimeter. Now remember, all of them must be in the base units. So the base unit for any distance is meter. So you must convert the millimeter to meter. Now, and then this gives you 1 into 10 power minus 4 meter for the distance between the two, the separation between the two cells. And then x is the separation between bright fringes. It is given to you 8 millimeter. Again, you must convert it into meter, divide by 1000, and you would get 8 into 10 power minus 3 meters. And then d is already given to you. D is the distance between the silt, double silt, and the screen. And that is given to you as 2 meter. This is already in base unit, so no need conversion. Now you would calculate, and lambda is equals to 4 into 10 power minus 7. As I told you before, that the path difference is equals to 1.5 lambda. So 1.5 into the value of lambda would give you 6 into 10 power minus 7. So option C is the correct answer. Thank you so much for watching. Still, if you have any doubt, any confusion, you may ask in the comment section below.